Plant FAQs, Syngonium Bold Allusion. Syngonium Bold Allusion, a stunning addition to your indoor jungle. Hi, Ferbvu here, and today we're diving into the world of the captivating Syngonium Bold Allusion. This beauty is a showstopper with its vibrant foliage and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, the Bold Allusion is a perfect choice. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium. Arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What is a Syngonium Bold Allusion? The Syngonium Bold Allusion is a captivating foliage plant belonging to the Araceae family, alongside favorites like philodendrons and monsteras. It's a cultivar, cultivated variety, of the Syngonium podophyllum, known for its arrowhead-shaped leaves. But the Bold Allusion takes things up a notch with its stunning coloration. Its large, platter-shaped leaves boast a mesmerizing combination of creamy pink margins and dramatic olive-green edges, all culminating in an opulent pink center. This unique color play makes it a true conversation starter in any room. Think of it as a glamorous relative of the classic Syngonium podophyllum, with bolder colors and a touch of elegance. Light requirements. Finding the sweet spot. The Bold Allusion thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. Direct sun can scorch the delicate leaves, so avoid placing it in a south-facing window. Here's the key. Don't be afraid to experiment with light levels. While bright indirect light fosters faster growth, the Bold Allusion can tolerate lower light conditions. However, growth will be slower, and the vibrant colors might become less pronounced. Remember, observe your plant. If the leaves start to lose their vibrancy or become leggy, stretching out with sparse foliage, it's a sign it needs more light. Conversely, if the leaves turn pale or develop brown spots, relocate it to a shadier spot. Watering wisely. Keeping your Bold Allusion hydrated. The Bold Allusion prefers consistent moisture but doesn't appreciate soggy soil. The finger test is your best friend here. Stick your finger into the potting mix about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's watering time. If it's still moist, hold off for a few days. Here's a tip. Aim for even watering throughout the soil. Drenching the plant and letting excess water drain out can work, but ensure proper drainage holes in the pot to prevent root rot. Feeding frenzy. Does the Bold Allusion need fertilizer? The Bold Allusion isn't a heavy feeder. During the growing season, spring and summer, a monthly dose of diluted liquid fertilizer will do wonders. Use a balanced fertilizer at half or even a quarter strength to avoid fertilizer burn. Remember, skip the fertilizer during winter when growth slows down. Common pests and problems. Keeping your Bold Allusion thriving. While generally pest-resistant, the Bold Allusion can occasionally attract common houseplant pests like mealybugs or spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant for signs of infestation. If you spot any unwelcome guests, isolate the plant and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Here's a heads up. The Bold Allusion, like many Syngoniums, is toxic to pets and humans due to calcium oxalate crystals. Keep it out of reach of curious children and furry friends. Syngonium Bold Allusion versus Pink Allusion. Sibling rivalry or perfect pair. The Bold Allusion is often compared to its close relative, the Syngonium Pink Allusion. Both boast stunning pink foliage, but there are subtle differences. The Bold Allusion. Larger, platter-shaped leaves. Creamier pink center with bolder olive-green edges. Slower growth due to being a tetraploid, having 4 sets of chromosomes. The Pink Allusion. Smaller, heart-shaped leaves. Softer pink coloration throughout the leaf. Faster growth. The verdict. Both are beautiful choices. The Bold Allusion offers a more dramatic color contrast and slower, more manageable growth. The Pink Allusion provides a softer touch and faster-growing foliage. Ultimately, the choice depends on your aesthetic preference and desired growth rate. Why not have both? The Bold Allusion and Pink Allusion can create a stunning display together, showcasing the versatility of the Syngonium genus. Syngonium Bold Allusion, the final word. The Syngonium Bold Allusion is a captivating plant that offers a unique combination of beauty and ease of care. With its stunning foliage and forgiving nature, it's a perfect addition to any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, the Bold Allusion is sure to impress.